Welcome to Evangeline Ed Academy. Today, we are going to learn about the production of goods and services, Unit 4.1, IGCSE Business Studies. What is the meaning of production? Production is the process of providing a product or service to meet consumer wants and needs. It involves transforming raw materials and components into finished goods or services. It is basically value addition. What is value addition? Production adds value during the process. Hence, value added equals selling price minus the cost of inputs. For example, input of cotton gives you the output of shirt. Output has higher values than your input. What are the inputs of production? These are basically the factors of production: land, natural resources, labor, human effort and skills, capital, machinery, tools and money, enterprise, business ideas, risk-taking, and management. What are the outputs of production? The result is more valuable goods or services delivered to customers. What is the role of operations department? They use the resources in a cost-effective and efficient manner, and they manage the inventory effectively. They produce the required output to meet customer demands. They also meet the quality standards expected by customers. Production versus productivity. Production is the total output of a business in a given time period. Productivity is a measure of efficiency. It is the output measured against the inputs used to create it. Increasing productivity makes a business more competitive by reducing costs per unit. Hence, productivity equals quantity of output over quantity of inputs. What is labor productivity? Businesses often measure the labor productivity to see how efficient their employees are in producing the output. The formula for labor productivity is output over number of employees. Businesses look to increase productivity as the output will increase per employee, and so the average cost of production will fall. This way, they will be able to sell more while also being able to lower prices. What are the ways to increase productivity and efficiency? Number one, improving quality and inventory control to reduce waste. Number two, automation, replacing employees with machines. Number three, improving training to increase employee skills. Number four, motivating employees more effectively. Number five, introducing new technology. What is inventory management? First, let's understand why businesses hold inventories and the concept of lean production. Why businesses hold inventories? It is to maintain production and satisfy customer demand quickly, to act as a buffer against unexpected demand or supply delays. Inventories can include raw materials, components, partly finished goods, or even finished products. What is the meaning of lean production? This is a term for techniques used to cut down on waste of resources and increase efficiency. It aims to reduce the time from product development to sale. There are 7 types of wastage that can occur in a firm. Number 1, overproduction. Producing goods before they have been ordered by customers. This results in too much output and so high inventory costs. Number 2, waiting. When goods are not being moved or processed in any way, then waste is occurring. Number 3, transportation. Moving goods around unnecessarily is simply wasting time. They also risk damage during movement. Number 4, unnecessary inventory. Too much inventory takes up valuable space and incurs cost. Number 5, motion. Unnecessary moving about of employees and operation of machinery is a waste of time and cost, respectively. Number 6, over-processing. Using complex machinery and equipment to perform simple tasks may be unnecessary and is a waste of time, effort, and money. Finally, defects. Any fault in equipment can halt production and waste valuable time. Goods can also turn out to be faulty and need to be fixed, taking up more money and time. What are the benefits of lean production? It lowers costs, hence less storage, and there is quicker production. There's less money tied up in inventory and better use of equipment. What is the Kaizen lean production technique? It is a Japanese term for continuous improvement through the elimination of waste. Improvements come from the ideas of workers themselves. Small groups of workers meet regularly to discuss problems and solutions. What are the advantages to Kaizen theory? Increased productivity, reduced space needed, and improved factory layout. What is just-in-time inventory control? This is a production method that aims to reduce or eliminate the need to hold inventories of raw materials, components, and finished goods. Raw materials and components are delivered just in time to be used. What are the advantages to GIT? It reduces inventory holding costs, saves warehouse space, and improves the cash flow. What is self-production? The production line is divided into separate, self-contained units, each making a part of the finished good. This works because it improves worker morale when they are put into teams and concentrate on one part alone. What are the main methods of production? Number 1, job production, where products are made specifically to order and each order is unique. Benefits: product meets exact customer requirements and workers have more varied jobs and high quality. Limitations: high costs, often labor intensive and takes a long time, and errors are expensive to fix. Number 2, batch production, where similar products are made in blocks or batches. Benefits: flexible way of working and allows for more product variety, not as affected by machine breakdowns. Limitations: can be expensive to move semi-finished products. Machines must be reset between batches, leading to delays, and warehouse space is needed for inventories. Number 3, flow production. Large quantities of a product are produced in a continuous process, also known as mass production. What are the features? Products move continuously along a production line. Large numbers of identical standardized products are made. Costs of production are low due to economies of scale. What are the benefits of flow production? High output, low cost per item leading to lower prices and high sales, easy to use capital intensive methods, can operate 24 hours a day. What are the limitations of flow production? Very boring for workers, leading to low job satisfaction. High capital cost to set up the production line. If one machine breaks down, the entire production line stops. Factors that affect which production method to use. Nature of product. If the product is personal or customized, job production is best as it allows individual attention. For standardized products, flow production ensures efficiency and consistency. Size of market. A large market requires flow production to meet high demand. Small or niche markets often use batch or job production to remain flexible. When goods are in moderate demand but not mass scale, batch production is most suitable. Nature of demand. If demand is steady and continuous, a production line is more appropriate. For irregular or less frequent demand, batch or job production is more cost effective. Size of business. Small businesses with limited capital usually rely on job or batch production. Large firms with greater capital investment can use automated flow production. What is the impact of technology on production? Technological advances have allowed for mechanization and automation. Computer-aided design. Software that helps in designing products, allowing for quick and detailed technical drawings. Computer-aided manufacture. Computers monitor and control machines or robots on the factory floor during the production process. Electronic point of sale. Used at checkouts to scan barcodes, change inventory records, and automatically reorder low stock. Electronic funds transfer at point of sale. This connects the cash registers to banks, allowing for direct debit from a customer's account.